Many of you know Vice President Atiku and myself for a long time. When I left the Daily Times and the University of Jos at the end of, I think, March 1992, I chose to join partisan politics, and I joined the Social Democratic Party, where the man you call the president today was a very, very active player, one of the founding members of that party. Much as he worked largely in the shadow of our leader, Shehu Musa Yaradua, I want to confess to many of you who don't know that he and Shehu Yaradua were very influential in my emergence as president of that Senate. I want to thank him for starting me on a very high level and also refusing that I should not come downstairs. Because since then, our paths have crossed so many times. Sometimes we quarrel. I remember in Boko, he said, he and I are like tongue and teeth. We sometimes fight, but we're always together. Because he's a man who cherishes friendship. It doesn't actually matter what you disagree, how you disagree with him. One quality which people don't seem to understand: he has a very, very, very big forgiving spirit. Many of those who are afraid today that if he becomes president, he will be vindictive, will go after them. Maybe they don't know Atiku Abubakar. He forgives so easily, and sometimes I say, Oga, allow me to deal with this one. He said, no, life is not like that. So he's one person who really has the capacity not only to unify his family, he has a large family. And I'm happy we're having this dinner in the house of one of his son-in-laws, and therefore his daughter. But you find that he's also a family man, a very unified family. And I guess he learned this job of uniting people by uniting his family. As you can see in this hall, in this house, there are people from virtually every part of the country. There's northeast, northwest, north central, southeast, southwest, and non-Nigerians.